Hi everybody, it's Good Friday. I'm continuing on my thingy about the Natalia Gary Sangford sing song act. This is to cheer people up, or if in my case depress them a bit. But yeah, this is for everybody that needs cheering up. This song I'm going to do today is Speed and the Sound of Loneliness by the great John Prine, who unfortunately left us during the week, succumbed to the coronavirus in America. He came from Chicago, the blues scene or the folk scene, for many years. Been quite a while in Ireland, where he got a huge support, huge backing. Very friendly man. As I say, this is the song I'm going to do, Speed and the Sound of Loneliness. I'm going to use a backup track on this as well, because I use it in my act when it's asked for, because I forget about it half the time. Lovely song. Also, this is for Nicola, my niece. When Nicola is stuck for a song, this is what she normally falls back on. Great song. Okay, hope you like it. It goes like this. You come home late and you come home early. Come home big when you're feeling small. You come home straight and you come home curly. Sometimes you don't come home at all. What in the world has come over you? What in heaven's name have you done? You've broken the speed and the sound of loneliness, and you're out there running just to be on the run. I've got a heart that burns with a fever. I've got a crazy and a jealous mind. How can the loving last forever when it gets left so far behind? Oh, what in the world has come over you? What in heaven's name have you done? You've broken the speed of the sound of loneliness. You're out there running just to be on the run. It's a mighty mean and a dreadful sorrow. Cross that evil line today. How can you ask about tomorrow when you haven't got a word to say? Oh, what in the world has come over you? What in heaven's name have you done? You've broken the speed of the sound of loneliness, and you're out there running just to be on the run. Oh, what in the world has come over you? What in heaven's name have you done? You've broken the speed of the sound of loneliness. You're out there running just to be on the run. You're out there running just to be on the run. Oh, you're out there running just to be on the run. Ah, well, there you go. Hope you like that. I'll see you. Have a good weekend, everybody. Bye-bye now.